Hi, my name is Sachin Takmare and you are welcome to the fourth video of this series. In the previous video, we understood that although AI started in 1956, it took a long time to develop. We also explored why AI has become powerful and popular only in the last 10 to 15 years. In simple terms, why did AI take 60 to 70 years to become successful? In this video, we will understand how does a machine actually learn? How is machine trained and what is machine learning and what are its types? Humans learn from teachers and experience, but how does a machine learn from data? Machine learning means teaching a machine using data so that it can make decisions on its own. In simple terms, machine learning is the process of teaching machines using data. If you have a small child at home, initially child does not understand anything. But we repeatedly teach the child this is cat, this is dog, this is an apple, this is good, this is bad. Similarly, we train machines by providing data along with description, which are called the labels. For example, suppose you have 1000 images of dog and 1000 images of cat. Each image is given a label that describes whether it is a cat or a dog. This entire collection of 2000 images is called as dataset. A dataset is a collection of data used for learning. Next, we divide the dataset into two parts. Around 70 to 80% of the data is used to train the model. This is called the training dataset. The remaining 20 to 30% is used to test whether the model has learned correctly or not. This is called the testing dataset. When a machine learns to perform a specific task, it creates a system, and this system is called a model. A model is the learn brain or train brain of the machine. For example, if you divide the dataset into 70-30, we use 700 dog images and 700 cat images to train the model. The machine learns how a dog looks like and how a cat looks like. After training, we test the model using the remaining 300 dog and 300 cat images. If the model correctly identifies 96 out of 100 images, then we can say that the model has 96% accuracy. The accuracy is 96%. After that, we provide the completely new image that the model has never seen before. This is called an unseen sample. The machine predicts whether the given image is a dog or a cat. This output is called as prediction. Machine learning has three main types, or we can say three ways to teach the machine. First way is supervised learning, where a supervisor is present to guide learning process. Second is unsupervised learning, where there is no supervisor. And third is reinforcement learning, where the machine learns through trial and error. To understand this better, consider how we teach the child. In supervised learning, we directly teach the child, for example, this is a cat, this is a dog, this is good, this is bad. In unsupervised learning, the child learns on their own. For example, if a child touches a hot object and gets hurt, the child learns not to touch it again. In reinforcement learning, learning happens through rewards and penalties. If the child does something right, then awarded. If they make mistake, they are corrected or penalized. So in this video, we understood how machine learns, what machine learning is, and the different types of machine learning. In the next video, we will study these three types in detail: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. So, if you want to continue this storytelling series, Neurons to ChatGPT, and understand the complete journey, stay connected with me. Follow, subscribe, and share this with your friends who are really interested in learning AI. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.